Good morning, class 8. Today, we will discuss about the types of plastics. On the basis of properties of plastics, plastics are categorized in two types. First is thermoplastic and another is thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastic. Thermoplastics are those plastics which soften easily on heating and can be remolded into different shapes. They are called thermoplastics. For example, polythene, polyvinyl chloride, that is PVC, nylon, they can be remolded as well as they can be softened on heating. Second is thermosetting plastics. Thermosetting plastics are those plastics which, once set, they do not soften on heating as well as cannot be reshaped. Just opposite, thermosetting plastic do not reshaped as well as they do not soften on heating. Example of thermosetting plastics are bakelite, Teflon, bakelite, Teflon, etc. These are used in the handles of utensils, in the plugs cover and electrical insulators. Plastics have both advantages and disadvantages. What are the advantages? Advantages of plastics are inexpensive. They do not corrode or rust, not affected by the chemicals, air or gases, as well as rusting is also not takes place in the plastics. They are lightweight and can be carried out easily from one place to another. Other advantages are they do not conduct heat and electricity so that we can use in the electrical appliances, can be remolded into different desired shapes and in the different colors and different sizes. They can easy to make on a large scale. It is easy to make the objects from the plastics on the large scale. These are the advantages of plastics. Now what are the disadvantages? Disadvantages of plastics are non-biodegradable, means they do not break down or easily mix up in the soil. They pollute the environment. If they are non-biodegradable, so they pollute the environment. Next is inflammable. Plastics catches fire easily, and when burned the plastics, they gives out toxic fume, toxic gases like the carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide gases. As well as their disadvantages, they are harmful to animals. When animals eat the soft plastic object, it blocks their intestine and even cause death. From these discussions, we can say that plastics have both advantages and disadvantages. Therefore, plastics we can say that it is boon as well as curse. Students, what is the biodegradable and non-biodegradable? Biodegradable means like vegetable peels, fruit peels, paper, leaves, they can be broken down by the microorganism and can be easily mixed up in soil and to give the useful product, that is humus. This type of things is called biodegradable. And non-biodegradable means plastic products are mostly non-biodegradable because they do not break down by the microorganism. Hence, they do not easily mix up with soil. They do not give the humus, so they are called non-biodegradable. Due to this property of plastics are very harmful for environment. Thus, we can see here, due to this property of plastics, nowadays we hand out the purchased item in the grocery shop or in the malls in a cloth bag or in the paper bags instead of plastics because they are non-biodegradable. If these plastics material are eaten up by the animals, then they stuck in their stomach and they make the animals sick, even they cause the death also. As well as if we will burn the plastic materials, they produce the toxic gases which mix up with the air, cause the air pollution. Hence, we can conclude that plastics are very harmful for the environment. How we can manage the plastics, we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.